Hey everyone, we're at the warehouse again, and they might have some cases out the back, so let's see what they turn up with. And also look at that Subaru, which I found yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
I never saw it.
It's very cool, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what they turn up with.
Thank you.
Alright, 2 P cases. Guys, got P cases. This will be the Escort.
The Escort? Really? I got one normal Escort.
Where's the Escort?
Huh, I've only got one here out of the regular T-Hunt.
What case is this? It's a P case.
What's mine?
Yours is P as well.
What's the T-Hunt in yours?
What?
I'll check the other side.
Sick. Just open this. Alright guys, the bottom of the P case. There's the regular treasure hunt.
That's the side I looked on.
Huh?
This must be the ups. I don't know.
What?
How did you open that, Toby?
You just grabbed the... I'll have to take them out one by one. There's the demons there. Sweet. Okay. I'll take them out one by one. Or line by line. Just...
Nothing.
Put them in the bin.
Nothing there.
Be gentle with them.
Got 2 Plymouths here.
In the Porsches.
2 Porsche Cayenne here.
Alright.
Demons. I found 2 Dodge Demons.
Yeah, they're in everyone.
Yeah, I'll say what I've got.
Sorry if I'm going a bit fast, guys. It's just a bit awkward to be down here in the store, you know.
Yeah, well,
Morris Minis and stuff.
Judges.
Yeah, everyone's judging us. Guru-mobile?
No, we're not.
Okay. Now this is the side that I'm a bit skeptical about. Because it did not have an Escort on the top, even though it was sealed.
Mine's got 1 Escort.
Oh. 918s,
And then like
boy.
Phil comes along or something.
Sick. Got surf and turf. Very cool with those wheels on it. Chevelles.
What? Oh, the car Chevelles.
Can I put them over there, man? Have to hook some up on the pegs after this. Sky-Fi, those 3 things. 53 Chevys. Sorry, 55. Ugh, how could I get that wrong? 67 Mustangs. McLaren P1 and those. And a bone shaker. No Escort. Well, that was a nice case unboxing, guys. Well, guys, that was 2 full Hot Wheels 2018 P cases unboxed. 1 Escort between the both of them. So 2 cases, only one had 1 Escort in it. But anyway, full pegs, full dump bin, and 2 cases unboxed yet again. And also some other news. The 6-lane Raceway re-release has hit New Zealand. That's really awesome. Might be tempted to get one for myself for Christmas. $99, that's a bargain from the $500 resale price on eBay at the moment, so yeah. I was just looking around the dump bin one more time and I came across this. US carded Silverado Trail Boss. P case like we just unboxed. Pretty strange. If you don't know, we get international cards in New Zealand, so that's what it looks like compared. Yeah, and we don't have the case code on the back, so oh, interesting find. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.